Alright, all you... Restart, that sucked. What's up, YouTube? This is Midget Moto 88, otherwise known as Grant Speckman. I haven't posted in like a year and a half or something like that. But here's a bike check. Got ODI grips, the whole, pretty good. Odyssey par ends. Got fly Tierra Grande bars. Very nice. Fly Alta stem. Moving down, got Shadow Corvus headset, and a bunch of spacers because the steer tube is really long. The Empire / Odyssey sticker, and then I got Odyssey dirt forks, 41 thermal, BSD front street hub, stainless steel spokes, and then a GSport Rollcage. Upside down. And a fly Rubens tire, 2.25. We the People versus frame, stock frame from 2010. It's held up really well. I don't really abuse my stuff, so I can't really tell you if it's gonna break on you. Fly Circulo Sprocket that matches the stem, same color. Odyssey Bluebird chain. Eastern Tribe cranks, and I got some Odyssey pedals, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. In the back, got another BSD hub in red, some more stainless steel spokes, USA brand, another GSport Rollcage, focus. Oh, stop focusing right now. And the seat, got United Beacon seat, Primo pivotal post, and an Odyssey clamp in silver again. And the other side, that's my bike. It's a beauty.